Look.
Thank you.
It's around 324 horsepower. 0 to 60 is around 5.4 seconds. If you want to go pure electric, it's going to be 52 miles. So that's great for like local type driving, if you want to go to the grocery store and everything like that, or do your local errands. And then for the gas, it's around like 42, which is amazing. This is like super fuel efficient, and on top of that, it's super fast. Full stop. Okay, now all that energy is going back into the electric motor, so it's storing it all. That's the reason why we have so much good MPG. Smooth sailing, nice corner cuts, beautiful big bold display. You have your 3D, you have your bird's eye view of everything. Great safety features, pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control. And then that concludes it.
Nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.